In this video I'm going to show you how to send a report on Telegram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Telegram and there open some channel, let it be that one, and now you can send two kind of reports. First, you can send a report on the whole channel, and also you can send a report on the specific message if it contains some violation. First, I'm going to show you how to send a report for the whole channel. You need to tap on that channel icon, profile icon, right here at the top right, and then select More. And here is a report option. If you select that, here you have to choose the kind of violation. It may be spam, fake account, violence, pornography, child abuse, copyright, and other. Then select one of them and a report will be sent. And also, if we go back for a step, here I can send a report for that specific message. To send a report, just tap and hold on that message, and here in that appears menu there is a report feature. I'll tap on that, and here are the same options. I can select one of them and then send a report. So that's how it works, and I hope it helps you. And before you go, please like and subscribe.